Hello NCEES aspirants. In this session, I will tell you about the straight lines. Okay, as you all know that you will be provided the FE reference handbook during your exam, where you can see all the formulas and information related to that. From this bookmark list, you can select the topic, and like mathematics, we are going to select in this part. Okay, so you can select this mathematics. You will find the formulas related to mathematics in that. So for this particular topic, we will be working on the straight lines. So these are the information and formulas that are already provided to you during the exam. First thing is slope of a line. If there is a line making any angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then the slope, or it is also called gradient, or it is represented by m, is given by tangent of the angle theta made by that line with the positive direction of x-axis. That is your tan theta. Okay, so in this way we can find the slope of a line if the angle is given to us. Next is if that line is passing through two given points, say there are 2 points having the coordinates x1, y1, and second point q having the coordinates x2, y2. In that case, the slope is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so these are the ways to find the slope. If angle is given to you, you can say tan theta is the slope. If 2 points are given to you, then you can say y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 will be the slope value. Okay, let us solve some problems on this. First problem is find the slope of the line making the angle pi by 4 with the positive direction of x-axis. So it clearly says pi by 4 is the angle. So what will be the slope? M is equal to tan pi by 4. Pi is, if you have pi, it means you are having 180 degrees. Pi radian is 180 degrees. So we have m is equal to tan pi by 4, which is also means tan 45 degrees. Okay, but you can just simplify in any of those. Select your calculator accordingly. So it will give you the answer as 1. Next question is find the slope of the line making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So this time what will be the slope of that line? M is equal to tan 30 degrees. 10 in the 30 degree this time. So just use your calculator and get the value of tan 30, which is 1 by root 3, and you simplify it, it comes out as 0.57 something. So just let's take it 57. Next question is find the slope of the line making an angle 30 degree with the positive y-axis. This time not x-axis, it says positive y-axis. So this angle is given this time, this one. But what we need? We need only this part. Okay, so if this angle is 30 degree and this whole angle is 90, as we know, this whole angle sum must be 90. So this part must be 90 minus 30 degrees, which you can say 60 degrees. Okay, so for this part, what should be the value? Your slope m will be given by tan 90 minus 30, which is 60 degrees, and that comes out as root 3 is equal to 1.732. Next question is find the slope of the line passing through these 2 points. So if the line is passing through these 2 points, we can always find the slope given by m is equal to, here we have 3, 2 as x1, y1, 4, 5 as x2, y2. So we have y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to, and it is the slope of that line which is passing through those 2 points. So in this session we learned how to find the slope of a line if the angle made by that line with the positive direction of x-axis is given, or positive direction of y-axis is given, or it is passing through 2 given points. That's it for this session. In the next one, we will talk about the equation of the line. Thank you for watching this session. I hope you love this session, and if you learn something from this, you can, and if you need a one-on-one session, group session, or homework assistant, or assignment help, or project help, you can just contact me on this number, or you can join the Telegram channel through this. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next part. Keep watching, keep learning.